model, 2016 VAUXHALL Vivaro TRAFIC Silver Sportive 1.6 Cdti 85 miles spares OR repairs. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 85,458. Engine, 1,598 cc 1.6115 PSE 5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts and runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. The engine will need repairing or replacing. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, air con, electric windows, cruise control, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,595. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp